How to animate text on path in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Drag a Text Plus node and connect it to Media Out. Type some text and adjust its style to your liking. Now click on Layout tab and set Type to Path. In the viewer, click to add points and click and drag to add a curvy point. Drag the first and last point to the outside of the viewer area. Now we can create our animation but animating position on path value. So right-click on it and select Modify with Anim Curves. Now the Modifiers tab is enabled. Open it. You can change the speed of the animation by changing the scale property and changing the offset, which is the starting position, if you like. Now go back to the Edit page, drag the composition into Timeline, and use it.